Over the past few years, global ad budgets have quietly shifted away from familiar digital channels toward performance TV, CTV, and OTT that can be measured on real business outcomes. Performance TV now captures around a quarter of total media spend and delivers effectiveness on par with social, while traditional search is slowly losing its edge. For marketers, the challenge is no longer about looking good on TV, but proving revenue, ROAS, and brand lift, while content, infrastructure, and attention costs all keep rising. For broadcasters, OTT platforms, telcos, and ISPs, the real question is whether their infrastructure, data, and operating model are ready to receive performance TV budgets at scale. This video is told from the perspective of Thudu Multimedia, a technology partner for OTT/IPTV, DRM, and DAI/SSAI, working with content and TV service providers across the region. In markets like the US and Europe, performance TV, meaning CTV and OTT campaigns measured on outcomes, has become the #1 investment channel, taking roughly 24% of media budgets. Marketers are actively shifting spend away from YouTube, Meta, and TikTok towards CTV and OTT, where they can blend TV-level reach with performance-grade measurement. AI is now embedded into CTV buying systems, turning TV into an always-on experimentation engine that tests targeting, creatives, and frequency in real time. Performance TV is no longer just a fuzzy awareness channel. It now supports full-funnel goals from brand reach to app installs, orders, and subscriptions with transparent ROAS. Even small and medium-sized businesses are in the game. In some studies, over 3/4 of them already run performance TV campaigns on CTV and OTT. The signal to broadcasters, OTT operators, telcos, and ISPs is clear. Budgets follow TV platforms that can measure, optimize, and stay transparent, not just those with the highest rating or subscriber count. If big screen ad infrastructure cannot keep up with this shift, the fastest-growing TV budgets will quietly flow to someone else's platform. Many OTT and IPTV systems were originally built around subscribers and ratings, not performance TV, so they lack granular data, outcome-based metrics, and smooth ad tech integrations. Streaming and ad-serving infrastructure is often not tuned for dynamic ads. Every break risks stuttering, delays, or blank screens that frustrate both viewers and advertisers. Operations teams still fight fires manually when traffic spikes around sports, events, or big campaigns, while marketers expect daily or even hourly optimization cycles. A critical gap is data ownership. Viewer, impression, and conversion logs often sit in external platforms, weakening your ability to negotiate CPMs and revenue shares. If these gaps stay unresolved, the platform risks losing new performance TV budgets and being labeled as a channel that is hard to measure and hard to plug into attribution models. Another risk is lack of scale. The infrastructure may handle today's subscribers, but break when ad frequency, campaign volumes, and demand partners all ramp up. Without clear proof of impact, broadcasters and OTT platforms become passive price takers, dependent on a few large deals and unable to tell a convincing, effective TV money story. From Thudu Multimedia's perspective, joining the performance TV game is not just about selling more CTV ad slots. It means rethinking revenue models, infrastructure, and organization around the OTT/IPTV platform. Strategically, we start with questions. Do you want higher ARPU, new CTV ad revenue, or a place in advertisers' performance mix? And is your current data strong enough to prove ROAS? This quickly leads to the role of a data platform. Logs from set-top boxes, OTT apps, smart TVs, ad servers, and telco billing need to land on one unified layer that can power attribution and segmentation. On the technical side, streaming has to maintain QoE and QoS, even with dynamic ad insertion, using multi-CDN, low-latency tuning, and real-time error monitoring with automatic fallbacks. DRM must protect premium content without adding extra lag, keeping playback smooth across devices, networks, and even during heavy ad loads, especially in live sports and primetime shows. For ad tech, DAI and SSAI are not just stitching ads. They must be tied to measurement, logging, and connections into DSP and SSP ecosystems that performance marketers already use. Organizationally, everyone needs clarity. Who owns subscriber data? Who ensures QoS? Who manages advertiser relationships? And how revenue and insights are shared across partners? In real projects, operators that treated OTT infrastructure and ad tech as strategic assets and invested in data and measurement were the ones able to attract and defend performance TV budgets. The market problem is clear. Advertisers want performance TV to track installs, leads, and orders, while TV and OTT operators must keep QoE, protect content, and survive traffic and campaign spikes. At the infrastructure layer, the OTT/IPTV platform has to handle millions of viewing requests while interacting with DAI and SSAI systems that decide in real time which ad to show to which viewer. The right approach is not to bolt on yet another ad server, but to design an architecture where streaming, multi-CDN, DRM, DAI/SSAI, data and operations are all aligned to common experience and revenue, KPIs. Measurement needs to capture every step from impressions and view-through to conversions, and expose that data so advertisers can run attribution alongside social and search. Sigma OTT provides the backbone, an end-to-end platform managing live and VOD delivery, QoE/QoS optimization, multi-CDN and DRM so the pipes are ready for advanced advertising. Sigma DAI and SSAI add the dynamic ad layer on CTV and OTT, stitching ads server-side to keep playback smooth while supporting multiple sales models and rich performance TV data. When these layers work together, operators stop just selling ad slots and start offering a performance TV channel that can stand next to social and search on the same marketer dashboard. In short, ad budgets are clearly moving toward performance TV and CTV/OTT, where TV-level reach comes with digital-grade transparency. Broadcasters, OTT operators, telcos, and ISPs that cannot modernize streaming, DRM and DAI/SSAI will struggle to prove impact and risk being left behind in the budget race. Over the next 6 to 24 months, the real opportunity lies with those who treat OTT and ad tech infrastructure as strategic. Mastering QoE, owning data, and connecting into the global performance TV ecosystem. If you only have an app and some ad slots, TV risks being pushed back to a vague awareness role that cannot compete with social and search in the same media plan. Now is the moment to ask whether you only own content or you truly own the infrastructure that delivers both content and effective advertising to viewers. In the coming 12 to 24 months, do you want to keep chasing outages or let your systems warn you at the edge before your next big performance TV campaign goes live?